Hello guys, welcome back. In this video you will be learning how to create a simple login form using HTML and PHP and save that form details onto a cloud database which you can access it. So whenever a user visits your website and enter the details using form and submit it, the details will be stored into a cloud database which you can access it and also host your website. So let me get started. So first of all, you need source files for your website, and the source files are logout.php, profile.php and index.php. The source file link is given in the description. Go to the description, download the source file and save it as logout.php, profile.php and index.php, all the three in 3 different notepad files with an extension of .php, and your website would look something like this. The login section here and a sign in section here. So let's get started. We are going to host our website on this platform, which is 000webhost.com, which offers you free web hosting for some period of time. So once you sign up, giving your credentials and setting up your domain name, you will be seeing this page, and this is the dashboard or the welcome page which you will be seeing after the sign up. And I will be guiding you through steps on how to create a website and upload the source file and host it. This platform is very simple. You just have to follow all the steps to finish your website. So first, after sign up, you have to go for add content to the website. And which will give you 3 options, which is build website easily using automated tools or using WordPress website, and you can upload your own website which you have the source code for. So I'm going for the third option, for which we have the source code already and we just have to upload it. Sign up again for the file manager. So in this file manager you can view all the files which is available on your website. So here we have to upload the source file, so I'll go for the upload option. You can simply select the files or drag and drop from your desktop to this window. So as it was a notepad file which the source code was written, the extension .txt will be automatically appended and you have to rename it back to .php. And you can see here the .txt extension is automatically appended and you have to rename it as .php. Do the same for other two. And yes, we are done renaming. Remember, index.php or index.html is the default page which your website will be loading as soon as you sign into the web page. So remember, if you are giving some other name index or instead of index.html, your website will display an error showing that there is no index file in your file manager. So always your home page is the name of index.php. remember that. And we are done uploading the file, so now we have to see how our website looks. And this is our website, and this error is for the SQL query which we have given. And now we have to create a database which will be storing all the details entered here in the form. So now let's create a database. Go back to the dashboard, go to manage database, here as a free hosting services it will give you option of creating 2 database free of cost. If you need to add more database, you need to go for a pro plan which will cost you. So here we have to create a new database. Enter the details of that. You have to remember the database name and the database username carefully. Don't get confused between that. And yes, we have created a database. Go to manage, click on the my PHP admin. So you will be seeing a cPanel here to manage all your database queries and everything. The username will be auto generated. Set the password. Sorry, the username will not be auto generated. You have to copy from the database details which you have given. Here you can see the database which we have created with the name details. Just go to that. Now you have to create a table, so you have to run a SQL query. So the query is available in the description below the video. So the description will be redirecting you to my blog where you can see the step-by-step instruction of all the steps which I have taken in the video. So the first step is, after that you need to create a table by executing the below query. Create a database with the name details which we have created already. So now we have to create a table with a query given here. So just copy the code there and paste it here and run the query. Create table users. So user is the name of the table. So go to users, you will see the design of that database. ID, name, email, password, date, month, year, which is the form details. So when entered, the details of the form will be saved in this table. So we have created a form, web page and also a database. So now we have to connect the database with the form. So let us go for our source code, which is present in the file manager. And now in the file manager, go to index and edit it. And here in the index file, we are giving connection to the database as well as the index page. So database name is equal to details. Instead of details, which I have mentioned, you have to write the original database name, which you can find in the manage database section. So this is the database name which was assigned. Paste it here in the name of details, and root is the user ID. And the last section is for your password. Save and close. And now go check your website, refresh it, and you won't be seeing that query error which you got before. So when the user enters any details here, when the user signs up, these details will be stored into our database. So here in your database my PHP admin, just refresh your table and you will be able to see all the details which have been entered in the form. So you can see here the details which I entered in the form. So thanks for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe if you find it productive.